Hey there, if your GE dishwasher won't stop beeping, don't panic. Today, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide to silence that annoying alarm and get your dishwasher back to work in no time. Stick around because some of these fixes are super simple and one might save you a service call. First, let's try a soft reset. Most of the time, after a power surge, your dishwasher just needs a little nudge. Press the start reset button, usually located on the top edge of the door, and wait about 2 minutes. That's often enough to stop the beeping. If the beeps continue, it's time for a power cycle reset. Simply unplug your dishwasher or flip the circuit breaker off for about 30 seconds, then turn the power back on. This can clear any temporary glitches in the system. Next, check the door latch. A beep every minute usually means the door isn't fully closed. Give it a firm push until it clicks. If the door isn't latched properly, the dishwasher won't start and keeps beeping as a warning. If the problem still persists, we can try a control panel reset. Turn the dishwasher on, then hold the cycle and start buttons together for 5 seconds until the lights stop flashing and the control lock light turns on. Press cycle again for 5 seconds to enter reset mode. Finally, press cycle once more, then start to exit. This often clears stubborn beeping issues. For the brave or technically inclined, there's advanced inspection. Remove the bottom access panel and check the wiring between the door latch and the control board for damage or loose connections. Be careful, only do this if you're comfortable with appliance electronics. And that's it. By following these steps, your GE dishwasher should stop beeping and get back to washing like normal. If it's still making noise after all this, it might be time to call a professional. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another quick fix guide. Thanks for watching and happy dishwashing.